Hey guys, it's Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. My dogs are going crazy in the background right now playing, so if you hear a bunch of bumping around, that would be them. Today we are gonna do some eyeliner looks for hooded eyes. I've been searching on TikTok to try to find some more ways of doing a good eyeliner look for hooded eyes. There's been a lot of good options out there. The one that I have been doing is referred to as the bat wing. This is Poppy. Give me that. No, thank you, ma'am. This is Phoebe. These are my two pups.
Stop it! Stop it! No!
The method I have been doing is called, get that out of your mouth. The bat wing creates the wing shape that you want when your eye is open, but when your eye is shut, it looks like a bat wing. I think that's why it's called a bat wing. It's just got a different shape to it. I really like using that method, but I wanted to try a different one today. So I'll show you how I normally do it, and then I'm gonna show you this new method that I saw on TikTok. I haven't tried it yet, so crossing my fingers that it'll work. You're gonna have to lay down.
I love you so much. It's freaking out. I love you.
Okay, but I'm trying to figure out how to link the video, or at least put her app in the description box. It's Beauty by Janae, and she's got several videos for hooded eyes. So I'm gonna follow one of her techniques that she calls the baby wing, and then I'll just do the bat wing, which I think she does in this video as well. So the first thing you're supposed to do is at the end of your crease, where your crease line ends, you're supposed to make a dot. So this will be helpful to look straight on in the mirror rather than down or anything, because it really makes your crease be a little more presentable. So then after you make the dot at the end of your fold, you connect that with your lid. And then all she does next is connects it with the corner, and then you elongate it outwards as much as you want. The problem with this so far for me, she has like a baby hood. I've got a massive hood. So far it's still, when I'm looking straight on, I can see my wing, and I did exactly what she did. Okay, yeah, that's all she does. She makes the dot, connects it to the lash line, and then connects that with the corner of your eye. I did forget to, she started with doing a thin line across the lid, keeping it as close to the lash line as you can. I do have a little bit of transfer, not a big deal. I can clean it up with a Q-tip. Okay, and that's basically it. I don't know. I don't know if I like how that turned out or not. It worked really well on her. Again, I think it's because my eyes are so hooded that it didn't work as well for me. When she looked straight on, it looked perfect. And she does say, make sure you look straight on and make sure it looks good. I don't know if I like this. I mean, it's fixable still, but just doing exactly what she said to do, it doesn't look right. Let me clean this up quick. I might end up wiping this one off completely and giving it another shot, because I feel like maybe if, well, I don't know. She said if you still have the problem, like what I'm having, is it's dipping, it's not coming straight across, like this is how more of how I want it to look, and now it's droopy, then she said maybe you didn't put your dot low enough. So I will try it again, but I'm gonna start with the bat eye on this side. Now for this one, all you do, start by making a thin line across your lash line. And the bat wing too is typically a little bit more bold. That's why I wanted to learn how to do this in like a baby style. I guess you could do it smaller. Okay, and the next step, you need to make sure you're looking straight ahead into the mirror. Oh my God, my dogs won't leave me alone. They're like Velcro dogs. And then you start creating your straight line from the corner of your eye, and you go out. You can either bring it in or go out, whatever is easiest. And then after you have that started, you create a straight line from the edge of your wing, or like right before the thinnest part of your wing. And then you make a line going straight in to your lid. And I'll probably go back and fix my tail. Now, after I have that line, it pretty much stops at the crease. So now I've got this weird angle here, and I have a missing space here too because my crease goes all the way down there. So I'm going to close my eye, connect this one here, the outside one, and then I'm going to take this top line and draw it straight down. And then you fill all of this area in. So now you've got the wing portion done. It also helps if you want to use a piece of tape to get this line straight. Mine's a little wonky right now, but when I'm looking straight on, it's not so bad. So then what I do next is usually make a curved shape to connect the big wing to the lash line a little better, so it's not just a big straight line going down. And there's your bat wing. So when you close your eyes, it looks like the shape of a bat wing. Now when I look straight on, I've got a good wing look. When I look down, obviously it's a different shape, but if you can see, obviously this one's a lot larger than this baby wing. The baby wing is a lot more droopy too than what this is. This one's not bad, I just think I need to work on it a little bit more. So I'm gonna try to wipe off the wing portion of it and we'll try it again. Okay, I've got majority of it all wiped up. So we're gonna try again, starting with creating the dot. My dot last time I put up a little higher. I'm just gonna put it a little bit lower this time to see. But at this point, my hood goes like even with my lower lash line, so, oy. Okay, got my dot. Now you connect the dot with the lash line, going straight across. And then you connect that with your lower lash line. And then you can extend it. Hold on, let me see what that looks like. Okay, see now it's like, it makes it droopy. Okay, I connected it a little bit better with the lower lash line, hoping that'll help. So this is where we're at. And now I'm just going to extend the wing. Maybe I should be going out instead of upwards because I'm already seeing the same thing happen. So I'm gonna bring it out. It's not working for me. It's just not. No matter what I do at this point. Oh, whoops. I think this side for me, no matter what I'm trying, it's kind of a fail. I can play around with it a little bit more on my own time to see if I can get it to work, but I think the problem with me personally is I just have too hooded of eyes. I think if you have a subtle hooded eye, this will work a lot better for you, but if you have extreme hooded eyes like I do, the bat wing's gonna be your best friend. And you can make this obviously a lot smaller. This one was a fail for me today, but I am gonna check a couple of our other TikToks, maybe some other people's TikToks as well, see if they have any ideas for hooded eyes. Hopefully we will be able to find a better solution next time. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this short video and we will see you in the next one. Bye.